Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2023 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a time when you were late. You should say when it was, why you were late, and how you felt about being late. So as you all can see, there are three questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these three questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. Now, when you are given this type of a question in your exam, what can be some of the ideas that you can use? Well, this is a very straightforward question. Like being late, probably it has happened with all of you at least once in your lifetime, right? It can be probably because of some traffic issues, or maybe someone in your family is not keeping well and you were not able to attend a meeting or an interview, or just got late for your classes. Or it can also be a simple reason like waking up late in the morning, right? Maybe you slept a little bit late at night and you were not able to wake up on time, so that's why you got late. So there can be many ideas that you can use for such kind of a topic. So let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you people. Time is money, which simply means that time is a valuable resource and therefore it is better to do things in a prompt manner, and I follow this simple motto in my daily life. But today I would like to talk about an occasion when I was unpunctual. So as you all can see, we have given a little bit of an introduction instead of directly starting with the first question, as well as we clearly convey to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. I vividly remember that last year during my final exams, I had left home a bit earlier than my usual time to avoid delays on the road as I commute using public transport. So, for those of you who do not know what commute simply means to travel a distance regularly, maybe between your work and home or between school and home. So you can add this to your vocabulary list, and next time when you are practicing, you can use this while speaking. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, after reaching halfway through, I met with a huge traffic jam and came to know that some accident had taken place on that same route and none of the automobiles were allowed to pass through. Additionally, all the vehicles were diverted to a different way which was longer than the regular route. So as you all can see, instead of using bus or vehicle or car, we have used a range of vocabulary words to convey the same meaning. We used public transport, we used vehicles, we used automobiles. So these actually is preventing repetition, right? We are avoiding repetition when we are using different words, and all these will add to our band scores for our lexical resources portion later on. Alright, so we have answered the questions, which was when it was and why you were late. The third part of the question is still remaining. So let's continue. Moving further, I was really tensed as I was getting late for my exams and was very disheartened as I had put in a lot of hard work and dedication to prepare well for my test and did not want my efforts to go in vain. So to go in vain means to go wasted. Alright, let's continue. Finally, I reached the exam center about half an hour late and explained the situation to the principal, who was generous enough to give me extra time to complete my test, and I took a sigh of relief. I took a sigh of relief means simply you were relieved. So we used a phrase instead of saying the word relieved. So as you all can see, we used a range of connectors here like additionally, moreover, finally, moving further. Like whenever we were starting a new sentence, we were trying to use connectors to bridge those sentences together. So all of these will add to our marks for our coherence and cohesion portion. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. In the next video, I will be preparing a sample answer for another Q card topic. Meanwhile, if you do have any other topic in mind, make sure to comment down below and I will be more than happy to prepare a sample answer for that as well. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.